experience that I had here was just beyond anything I could have imagined beforehand, really. So the first thing I experienced when I came here was a wonderful group of people who all share the same idea or desire of getting closer to themselves, and then that in itself was already very, very powerful. And then this beautiful area, this really sacred place. Wow. And then being out there in a very, very beautiful and even more sacred place was just breathtaking and again beyond anything I could have thought of.